Now starting with the cyclic photophosphorylation. In cyclic photophosphorylation, only photosystem 1 is involved. In it, the electron is excited, or this electron is expelled by the photocenter, which is P700. In cyclic photophosphorylation, this only photosystem 1 is involved, where the reaction center is P700, and this photosystem 1, the reaction center, it absorbs photons of sunlight and it expels one electron. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसमें से एक्सपेल होगा and this P700 it goes to excited state. अब ये जो है ये इलेक्ट्रॉन it will return back to this P700 molecule through a series of compounds. These compounds, they act as electron carriers, and during this flow of electron or transport of electron, ATPs, they are synthesized. Let us see the reaction. P700 molecule, it absorbs solar energy and it expels a electron, and this electron is accepted by an unknown this is unknown electron acceptor, and this X is called the primary acceptor. Primary acceptor, which is the unknown electron acceptor. Now this X, or the primary acceptor of electron, it transfers this electron to another compound, which is ferredoxin. FD stands for ferredoxin, and ferredoxin donates this electron to cytochrome B6, to a compound called cytochrome B6, and this electron is transferred further to plastoquinone, and this further plastoquinone इसको किसको दे देता है, that is to cytochrome F, and from cytochrome F it is given to plastocyanin, and ultimately the electron reaches back to the reaction center, that is P700. Let us see क्या हुआ. P700 it absorbed photons of sunlight absorb की, excited state में चला गया. After absorbing energy, it expelled one electron. That electron was accepted by unknown electron acceptor X. X ने ये वो इलेक्ट्रॉन किसको दे दिया आगे, टू द फेरेडॉक्सिन से वो इलेक्ट्रॉन किसको ट्रांसफर हो गया, टू द साइटोक्रोम 6 transfers this electron to the plastoquinone. From the plastoquinone it is transferred to cytochrome F, and from cytochrome F it is given to plastocyanin, and plastocyanin से कहाँ चला गया, यहाँ. तो in a cyclic manner the electron reaches back to the P700, और यहाँ पर दो स्टेप पे कहाँ याद रखने के लिए हम याद रख सकते हैं, दोनों ही साइटोक्रोम वाले पहले, साइटोक्रोम B6 और साइटोक्रोम F से पहले. यहाँ पर क्या है, देयर इज एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन वेयर ADP, adenosine diphosphate, it reacts with inorganic phosphate and ATP production takes place. और similarly यहाँ भी साइटोक्रोम F वाले से पहले ADP, it reacts with inorganic phosphate and formation of ATP takes place. तो जब अगर एग्ज़ाम में ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपने ये बनाना है, एक पेज पे पूरा बनाएंगे और नीचे हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे व्हाट do they stand for? You have to mention. X stand for primary electron acceptor. Then उसके बाद क्या था? FD. FD stands for ferredoxin. This cytochrome 6, it was cytochrome. Then there was PQ, it stands for plastoquinone. Then there is cytochrome F. PC, it stands for plastocyanin. This is how formation of energy rich compound ATP takes place. जब भी आप ऐसे लिखते हैं तो हमेशा डैश के नीचे डैश आना चाहिए. So, जो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन है वो सिमेट्रिकल रहे. That is the cyclic photophosphorylation.